Welcome back, first grade readers and writers. We are working on a story, an expert writing story, a nonfiction story, and you are going to work on that same story today. We've been talking about how can I teach my readers, and you've been learning strategies. For example, you learned how to write in twin sentences, and you also learned yesterday how to use big and bold pop-out words. Well, today, writers, I'm going to teach you how to make a comparison. All right? So another strategy that will help make your writing more exciting to your readers is called making a comparison. And I'm just going to grab my finger here. So for example, here's the picture that I want you to remember. His teeth were sharp like a knife. All right, so we're telling how sharp the teeth were. We're giving kind of like an example about how sharp those teeth are. Here's another one. Did you know that the Stegosaurus has a brain the size of a ping pong ball? Do you see how we're comparing its brain to the size of a ball? And it's a very small ball, isn't it? That makes it more exciting to the reader, and the reader can kind of understand and see a picture in their mind about what you're talking about. So using comparisons are really important when you do your writing. Here's an example. This is an actual baby bat. Isn't he cute? And you can tell from this picture how very tiny he is, right? Because the hand is huge compared to the bat. So we sometimes use an illustration or a picture to show that also in our story. And you can draw pictures all you want. But it might look like this when you do your writing. A baby bat is so small, you could fit 10 of them in your hand. All right, that kind of makes your reader excited. It makes your reader go, wow, and gets them kind of interested in finishing your story. So remember, you're going to use your same story all week. Add the new strategy each day to make your story perfect by Friday. So you're going to take out your story and your pencil, all right, and you're going to work on your expert story. I want you to use comparisons, twin sentences, and bold and big words that pop off your page. Have fun.